welcome. In today's video, I would like to show you how I gave new life to a dresser found on the side of the road. One evening, I was cooking supper and I received a text from my daughter with a picture. "Mom, do you want this? It's on the side of the road." First thing I asked her, "Is it real wood? Is it solid?" She says, "I think so. I can't pick it up." So I said, "Well, come home and we'll get the truck and we'll go back and get it." So that's what we did. Didn't really look at it that well when I was picking it up. So after I got it home, I looked at it. It was solid wood. It had dings and gouges in the wood, but I think I can fix that. So come along with me as I redo this free dresser. The little dresser is definitely solid wood, but it's seen its better days. It's got a bunch of dings. It looks like someone took a knife or saw and hacked on the front. The front of the drawers, the veneer has bubbles in it, has thick gouges in it as well. Some of the veneer is coming off. So it's definitely going to require painting. Varnish or stain will just not cover up. I like the worn, tattered look, but this is taking it to an extreme. So let's see if I can give new life to this well-worn dresser. I began by taking the drawers out of the dresser. I numbered them as I went because as furniture ages and settles, drawer number 1 does not slide easy in the slot for drawer number 4. So doing this keeps me from having to guess where they went. There was a decorative piece just under the top and then under on the bottom of the dresser. These dated the little dresser, so I removed it. It didn't take that much. It was just held on by some finishing nails. But after removing both of the pieces, it looks like that I'm gonna have to put something back in its place. So I'll cut a piece of trim and nail it to cover up the screws. The pieces of trim that I'm going to use on the dresser are some that I had left over from a different project. I like to reuse things that I have on hand. The dresser is going to be painted, so it's all going to look cohesive. Now I'm going to turn my attention to these drawers. Like I said, the veneer was coming off, so I'm going to help it out a little bit and take the veneer off and sand the drawer faces down. Each drawer presented its own challenges, but I was able to get most of the veneer off with just a paint scraper. It's time to paint. I'm using a black paint. I believe the brand is Valspar. I got it from Lowe's several years ago. Can't believe that it's still good, but it is. I like the black, and so that's what I'm using. So the dresser was free, and all the supplies that I used to make over the dresser I had on hand. The only thing that I had to buy was the drawer pulls, and I believe they were a total of around $16. So for $16 I was able to do this makeover. Now back to the drawers. I wanted to do something a little different to make the drawers stand out. So I decided to make a reverse stencil with my Cricut machine and removable vinyl. I chose this scripture to serve as a reminder to thank Him for each day and also the other many blessings that I have. The dresser's going in my bathroom, so what a perfect place to have one of my favorite scriptures. I will see it each and every morning as I'm getting ready for my day. After placing the removable vinyl on the front of the drawers, I burnished it one last time to make sure that all sides were completely adhered. Also, to prevent most of the bleed through, went ahead and went over the stencil with the same color as my base coat. This is a gray paint. Actually, it's some paint that I had left over from painting our house. And this I do not know the color of. After the drawers were completely dried, I went back with my black paint again and then dry brushed it on the front of the drawer. Now it is time to remove the lettering and see the end results. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do an upcycle project of your own.